what did Mummy Shark say to Baby Shark when they saw the little fishies?
I see food!
Hello there.
Hello.
Are you a parking ticket?
No, why?
Because you got fine written all over you.
I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something within you. I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something within you. I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching.
Okay, it's time to go for food now. Where is Dean Street? You, the Londoner.
Google Maps.
How long have you been living here?
Google Maps.
It's not the answer to everything.
Google Maps on the way.
Going to the seafood bar. It's originally a Dutch place.
And what do they serve? Obvious.
And yeah, we are going to try it.
Nom nom.
Yum, yum. Welcome to Soho.
I thought I was a hoe.
You're Soho? You're Soho.
You're so ho.
I found something for you. There.
Oh. Let's go.
It's a no-ho. I can't go there, my mama's watching. Here is puppies.
I like puppies.
You like my puppy?
Here we are at the seafood bar. Let's go in. Here's Sarah at the seafood bar. You can see the menu. So we've decided to go for the fruits de mer.
Not fruits de mer. Me?
Fruits de mer. Ooh, lovely bread.
But it's not French though.
Oh, put that crusty bread in your mouth.
Not as good as French bread, but it's so nice.
Did you like it like a baguette? Because they're long and hard. Baguettes that you put in your mouth and that serve with your soup. Yeah, okay. Excuse me, you have a crumb on your cheek? I'll get that off.
Thank you.
Also, there's a moustache there as well. Let me just...
Look at him with his Sunday cocktail.
Cheers.
It's almost as big as your head.
Oh, which head are you talking about?
Oh my god.
This is seafood bar lobster soup. Are you gonna try it first?
Good
Okay,
enough for you.
put it in your mouth.
Very strong. It's not for me. Put it in your mouth. Put it in your mouth. Hurry up.
I like it.
You like it? See?
Got a bit of a spice to it. It's not like the thickest soup. It could have done with a touch of creaminess, but
Yeah.
maybe this is how it should be. But it's good. Pretty sweet. Thank you. Thank you very much. So we have oysters, mussels, crab, lobster, cockles, a bit of salmon.
Okay, let's get started.
Let's get going. The crab going then. You've got some cutlery here to use. Is it crushed already?
Yeah.
Oh. Food.
Yum. Yum, 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 yum.
A French lady is eating a snail. Surprise, surprise.
French people don't eat snails, we eat frogs.
See that snail. just pulls it out, and you probably have to cut that.
Yeah, bro.
That is the snail, or the slug. Can't wait to see you put that one in your mouth. It's not the only snail you've ever had in your mouth, as in like snail in mouth. Snail in. My turn. Juicy mussels. What are you trying next?
This one.
Oh, look how long it is. I'm sure you've seen longer. If you're lucky.
No. It was weird, I don't want to try it.
Don't be polite, just put it in your mouth. Like it? She likes long things all along. All your might. Yeah. Oyster time. One for you.
I'm very nervous.
Have you ever had oysters before?
No. I'm nervous.
Okay.
It's very seafoody.
Yeah.
You can taste the sea.
See, it's
That's what I
actually.
expected.
Yeah.
It's okay. It's okay.
Okay.
My turn.
Okay, it's your turn now. So?
Tastes like the sea. It felt like I'm drinking seawater.
Yeah.
It's alright.
Help me.
Don't play with your food.
Where all the flavour is in the crab. In the brain, so I can get more intelligent. That's it, guys. Come to the lobster, the main event. Juicy. Ooh. Thank you. Now it's lobster time for Sarah. Even though she looks like a fish, where does lobster rank for your favourite seafoods?
Top 3.
Yeah. Well, that's about as good as we can do. Finished. And out we go.
Oh my god. So that's us out of the seafood bar in Soho, London. It was a very nice experience. It was quite filling. It took us about like what, 2 hours to finish our dish?
Yeah, because we're cracking shells.
Really nice. Really nice. Your opinion. Did you enjoy yourself?
You know, I like seafood. There's not many places in London that have had that.
It's quite unique, yeah.
Maybe there is. We've just got to check it out. But
Restaurant in Amsterdam and they opened this one in London. How do you rate the food?
really good service.
Yeah,
They're
service is
really
amazing.
attentive. I would give the rating 10 out of 10 place. I can't fault it really.
Really?
Good. If that's what you like, go there. London, seafood bar.
I would give it a solid 10 out of 10 as well.
It's not easy
That's
to
a
give
success.
10 out of 10s. It shouldn't be easy. That
Shut up. But for once we agree. We both agree on that it's like a 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm all seafooded out. Shall we have dessert?
I'm sweet enough actually. So
No, not me, so I have a bubble tea. Follow me.
which way? That way.
That way.
What?
That way.
That was.
That way.
See you.
Hey!
What?
Look, I found something for you.
Ooh, strawberry cream cheese and strawberry panna cotta. Like a dessert drink, let's say. Strawberry cream cheese.
Strawberry panna cotta.
Panna cotta. So you got panna cotta at the bottom.
Yeah.
Let's try these. Here we go. Stick my little straw in, please.
You are the little straw.
Hey, you're opening your thing. Stick it in. Good. What does it taste like?
Like a strawberry cheesecake with panna cotta.
I've got strawberry cheesecake.
No, you have cream cheese.
Hi then.
How's yours?
Yours is much better.
Really? Ha 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 ha.
Well, it's like it's an icy strawberry drink.
Okay.
Drinking the dessert. Oh, let's swap.
No, it's mine.
So get some cream cheese at the top and suck up the strawberry.
It's okay. Give it a 5.
Really?
If I give it a 6, mine is a 9.
Yeah. This one.
Thank you.
Go next.
You want to buy me a bag?
Not really. This is all you need after eating so much.
Enough time.
A large chair and a large belly.